Joining us today on Morning Blend, Pat Brown, Holt Dimondale Insurance Agency, along with a special guest that he brought along with him. Pat, welcome to the Blend. Introduce your guest to us, please.
Good morning, Deb. I'm glad to be here in person again.
Yeah.
I'd like to introduce Chelsea Roberts, Director of Marketing for Children's Small Talk, and she's got some exciting news.
So tell us about what your organization does, Chelsea.
So Small Talk Children's Advocacy Center is the coordinating agency. We work with law enforcement, medical, CPS, and we actually address child abuse in Ingham and Eaton counties. So we're investigating mostly child sexual abuse and severe physical abuse of children. We've been around since 2011, and we offer no-cost counseling, court advocacy, and we do community prevention programs.
I gotta believe that's a more widespread problem than anyone wants to.
That's exactly right. I don't think that people really understand the scope of the problem. It's about 1 in 10 children will report sexual abuse, and 1 in 7 youth report unwanted internet solicitations when they're using the internet. So it's definitely important for people to be informed about it and look out for that.
And really addressing those children's needs at this point is creating a healthier community by giving them the guidance, the counseling that they need, as well as having them be heard and having people believe them. It's going to make such a difference as that child grows into adulthood. So you have an event coming up. It's the 8th annual auction for advocacy. Tell us more about that and how we can get involved.
Thank you. Yeah, so we do have an annual auction every single year. It's very important to our success as an agency. It's really raising money for the day-to-day work that we do, and it's going to be a little different because of COVID. So it used to be one night, a big blowout, we'd rent a venue, all that. This year it's 14 days long, and it's a virtual silent auction, and then we have 3 events throughout the 14 days. So we have a virtual concert, we're going to have a survivors panel, and then we are also having an Art for Advocacy painting night. So we're really excited about that. People can do kind of a wine and canvas type of painting event, but it's family friendly.
So is that something you can pick up the materials for and do it at home, or is it in person, the painting event?
So there are 2 options. You can do it in person, it's limited to 100 people. Or you can do the virtual portion, and they will actually mail all the painting supplies to your house. And it's a ticketed event. So.
Well, fantastic. Thank you so much for the work that you do in our community.
Thank you.
Ballpark, you can find out more information. Holt Dimondale Agency. Thank you so much, Pat, for bringing Chelsea onto the show with us today, and find out more online. Thank you both.